Breaker broke 23. So I was going through storage, found some boxes, and lo and behold, I had this old Kenwood KRC 555 AM FM cassette receiver boxed up. Haven't seen this for a couple decades, so I thought I'd bring this out and show you guys. This is back in what I call the golden age of car audio. This is late 80s, early 90s deck. Kenwood back then made some pretty good stuff. This thing's built like a tank. Sounds really good. It's got just a ruthless sound to it. Back then, you know, we had a lot of competition between manufacturers, so really a lot of manufacturers were stepping up the game. This is a pull-out version, so that kind of helps date the deck. I don't have a manual or anything like that here with me, although I do have one for this somewhere, so when I get that out and find it, I'll list more of the features and specs in the description box. So let's just go over some of the controls real quick. We'll just make this a real short video. Over here we have volume up down. We have fader control on an outside ring here. We have the balance control. You pull on the volume and go left or right. Bass, treble. This is eject for the cassette. This is program, so you push both of these and it'll auto reverse or flip the cassette over. Actually, it just changes the direction of motor. But anyway, we have loudness control down here. We have the screen here. No segments are missing. It's all 100%. We have the direct control here, auto and mono control, FM, AM, band select. FM, you get 2 banks of 10, so you get 20 FM presets. You get 10 AM presets. Channel up, down. We have metal tape capability. So this was a serious head unit, you know, with metal tape. It also has Dolby. Tape advance control. TC, don't really remember what that is. Like I said, I'll post some of that down there. But anyway, yeah, really nice sounding deck. All modes and functions work great. This has got a beautiful tuner in it. It's got a great cassette deck in it. Works just lovely. We got to be careful here with copyright issues, but surprised. I have no idea where this tape came from. Sir Mix-a-Lot, really? It must have been a customer's. Anyway, yeah, pull out. So let's do that. I'll go through how that works, and then we'll take a look at the back, and we'll just wrap this video up real quick. Gotta push on this button over here in the corner, lift up the handle, and this is a pretty tight can actually, so I'm just gonna do this. Big old gnarly heat sink on the back. Don't really remember what ICs are in there, but it's pretty healthy sound. Standard common pull-out connector. Fader control for high power preamp. This little area here is for a higher end unit, so that is blank in this one. We got the KRC 555. Pretty cool. And of course, here's our DIN can. The can does look a little shag nasty, but it's straight. Appears to be maybe installed once. But yeah, pretty cool. Speaker outs weren't butchered. I didn't cut the DIN cord. And yeah, the power cables look to be pretty good and everything. So I'm pretty happy that I found this. Yeah, it's just kind of a cool blast from the past. All right, like I say, when I find the manual, I'll put the particulars down in the description box. All right, there you go. Stay tuned for more vintage car audio. Thanks for watching.